Hello, welcome back to the channel. Once upon a time I went to Ikea and I bought this, a knife sharpener. I have never used this, so I think it's time. It's time I tried it out, because I have a knife which I forgot somewhere. A really dull knife. Let's see. Yeah. You can give this to the kids to play with. There are three types of ceramic stone here, I think. 1, 2, 3. They are marked 1, 2, 3. So I guess you start with the first one, then the second one, and the number 3 last. I don't have any instruction for this, and because I'm a man I don't need it. When you're sharpening knives you want some water on it, which I forgot. Alright, Mr. Smarty Pants. I have had some water on this knife sharpener now, and yeah, let's get into it. This is the number 1 stone. Just wipe it off. Oh, fuck. Just kidding. I did not count the strokes I did, but we'll give it a try. If it isn't sharp enough to cut the paper, we will try again. It feels sharper. I mean, they sell about 1 million. Oh, wow, shit. Sorry. It's not easy being me. I think they sell a million of these every year. So let's see if they sell anything that's good. Grab a fresh paper. A little bit sharper, but still not good enough. No? Where was it there? Let's do it again. Let's do 20 strokes on each number here. No. Let's do some more. I want this as sharp it can be. Alright. Let's do some more sharpening. final test. I mean, damn. So what do I think about this? I like it. Too bad I haven't used it before, because it would have helped me cutting up tomatoes in the kitchen. But no. So this is gonna be used from now on. Alright, there we have it. The Ikea knife sharpener. I guess it did its job. Not too bad. It could cut paper, and when you are in the kitchen, you always want to cut paper, right? Yeah, that's gonna be useful. Now I can cut my tomatoes like a professional from now on. I just gotta hide all the knives from my girlfriend, or she's gonna be known as the lady with less fingers. I also have an announcement. This channel is gonna change its name pretty soon. Don't know when exactly, but there is another channel with the exact same name as this one, and when I started this channel I didn't see anyone with the same name, so I must have screwed up. But he's been up for years, so yeah, you go check him out. TMV Garage. He's into motorcycles, I think. Alright, there was just a quick video if the Ikea knife sharpener would do like a knife sharpener does, sharpen knives, and it did. So yeah, it's gonna be used from now on. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe, please put the thumbs up, please leave a comment if you have any. Go buy an Ikea knife sharpener and yeah, sharpen some knives. Make your girlfriend happy, or your boyfriend, or whoever does the cooking in your household. Alright, until next time. See ya. Oh, so much crap.